Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome back again to my channel. So this is me at my place of work, and on this day we were doing some neurographic art. Trust me, it was really therapeutic and also my first time of doing this. I'll be showing you how I came up with this. Kindly watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe when you are done watching. The first thing I did was to scribble on my plain paper, but before then I had placed the paper on my board, then I held it down with a paper tape. While scribbling, you really don't have to follow any pattern, so I just kept on scribbling and scribbling. Before I continue, I would love to describe what a neurographic art is. A neurographic art is also known as a doodling art. It is a technique which comprises drawing free-form lines or neurolines. These are meant to enable the connection between the conscious and unconscious, gaining access to the inner self by using a specific algorithm or method. When I was done drawing the neurolines, I started shading the parts where two lines met. As you can see, making those parts darker. At the end of the day, these dark patches made the painting or the art very beautiful. Again, you can use this neurographic art to describe how you feel. While I was doing this drawing, I was kind of picturing my emotions at that moment, the way I was feeling. Trust me, we all were feeling very differently on that day. So this was the only way we could express our feelings. Creating your drawing is a beautiful meditative process based in mindfulness. Your unconscious, ordinarily inaccessible, is opened up. The results can range from immediate insights and revelations to changes in your life that take place in the most unusual and creative of ways. So this is me still, um, adding those dark patches to the lines that are connected in one way or the other, and I made sure there was no broken line in my scribble. So when I was done doing this, I started, gathering my brushes, my poster color or watercolor, and what I used in creating those dark patches is known as a Sharpie, in case you don't know. Neurographic art is a therapeutic art and it is one of the most widely used psychological techniques in art therapy today. This has also been scientifically validated and proven. If you take a closer look at the end result of this artwork, you will observe that I used more of purple color, and that was because of how I was feeling as at the time of doing this neurographic art. So in case you don't know what purple represents, purple actually is associated with creativity and the realm of fantasy. Purple color represents so many things. We think of purple as the color of luxury and royalty, and you can also relate it to love. In love, purple means a relationship with much spiritual depth as well as relationships that may have high status. As I was enjoying my painting, you can see more of purple, then I introduced green, then orange. Like I was just, enjoying myself, just transferring or relating my emotions to my painting. At some point, I started reflecting on my past. Once in a while, it's good to do that so that you can actually make some adjustments if you can, or you just bring back old memories. I would leave you guys now to enjoy the calming music, and you can also be doing your own reflections. In most cases, you don't say everything out in words, but sometimes you can also express yourself through drawings like this. See you guys at the end of this video. Enjoy. If you have watched this video to this point, I sincerely appreciate you, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This whole process took about 30 minutes and trust me, it was worth my time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do, and don't forget to comment and share this video. This was the outcome of my drawing and it really came out nice. See you all in my next video. Bye.